Welcome to Fixit Dubai, your go-to destination for innovative and stylish home transformations. In today's video, we're unveiling 100 stunning PVC wall panel designs that will take your living room to the next level. Whether you're aiming for a modern, minimalist look or a cozy, textured finish, we've got ideas that will inspire your next makeover. Stay tuned for tips, trends, and design inspiration that will elevate your space like never before. Thanks for watching. We hope these 100 stylish PVC wall panel designs have sparked some inspiration for your living room transformation. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest home design trends from Fixit Dubai. Visit us at fixitdubai.ae for more expert tips and exclusive design solutions. See you in the next video.